Hi, and I'm J. Jimmy Bob Jr., and I'm here with my colleague Harvey Winton, and we're here to discover if the murder of crows that have been terrorising Deans is true or a lie. Deans is known for many things, but recently, all it's really been known for are the murder of crows shown all over around the town. You see, many locals have many thoughts on the matter, and we're going to interview them now. Margaret, is it true that there have been sightings of murders of crows within your local area?
Yes, of all 80 years of my life, I never seen so many crows within one popular area. I heard it's been causing problems for teachers within a teacher within a high school and local construction workers and farmers within the area.
Hey, Jay, I've got a bad feeling about this. I mean, as we got here, we've seen nothing that shows signs of life. Like, there are no wildlife in sight, all except the feathers that are around.
Winton, you're such a worrier. There's nothing to worry about. I bet all the crows are up ahead resting or feeding on something. If we just keep walking, we'll find them, okay? Follow me.
Alright.
So, Billy Bobbert.
Yes.
Has there been any kinds of delay since the crows from the local area?
Delays? There's been delays every single day since those flocks of crows started showing up in the town. The feathers are covering my construction sites, and I can't do anything. All my workers are getting harassed by their flocks and their little beaks. This gets right on my nerves.
I found Harvey's camera on the floor. It's weird. I can't see any trace of him anywhere. Was that Harvey? That's I'm getting out of here. Thomas Larson, what was the main reason for your suspension from teaching at Deans High?
Well, the only reason why me and many other teachers got suspended is due to the increasing populations of the crows. Like, it's gotten to a point where teachers are being caught in traffic jams, trips are being cancelled, and the birds keep coming into the school and attacking the students, basically causing the school to be unsafe for teaching purposes.
So, you must be Craig Daverson, but I hear that the locals call you Crazy Craig.
Yeah, they do. Why?
Apparently you've seen some, but I'm actually here to ask you some questions about it.
Let me guess, it's about a beast that you want to know about. Everyone wants to know all about it. This little monster. It's a man, it's a crow, it's not human. I've seen it. It has a snout, it has eyes that reflect the sun. I wear this to protect my brain. It's going to take me over, just like it took over all the crows and Deans.